Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I will tell you about the history of the largest auto insurance company of USA, GEICO. GEICO was formed in 1936 by Theo Godwin and his wife Lillian Godwin to provide auto insurance directly to federal government employees and their families since 1925. Godwin had worked for USA, an insurer that specialized in insuring only military personnel. He decided to start his own company after rising as far as a civilian could go in US's military-dominated hierarchy. The Godwins funded the creation of GEICO with $25,000 of their own money and $75,000 from Fort Worth, Texas-based banker Cliff Miller, with legal assistance from future GEICO CEO Lorimer Davidson. Based on Godwin's experience at USA, GEICO's original business model was predicated on assumption that federal employees as a group would constitute a less risky and more financially stable pool of insurers compared to the general public. In 1937, the Godwins relocated GEICO from San Antonio, Texas to Washington, D.C. and reincorporated the company as a D.C. corporation after realizing that their business model would work best in the place with the highest concentration of federal employees. In 1948, the family sold its 75% stake of GEICO to a coalition of investors, which was led by Benjamin Graham's Graham-Newman partnership taking 50%. The sale accidentally violated a SEC regulation which forced Graham to divest a portion of their holding in 1949, resulting in GEICO becoming a publicly traded company. Graham-Newman's investment in GEICO eventually resulted in a position worth $400 million by 1972, which was by far Graham-Newman's best investment and outperformed the rest of their portfolio combined. GEICO has also offered other types of insurances besides auto, including homeowners insurance from 1962 to 1996. A sister company, the Golden Employees Life Insurance Company, offered life insurance from 1975 to 1995. Although GEICO has been focused on its core auto insurance competency, it uses its established direct sales infrastructure to market homeowners and other types of insurance underwritten by other companies. In 1996, after many years as a publicly traded firm, GEICO became a wholly owned subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway. GEICO generally deals directly with consumers via telephone and internet. However, the local agent program has more than 300 independent offices across the United States. GEICO is now the second largest writer of private auto insurance in the country. In 2015, GEICO began offering coverage for drivers of ride-sharing companies in selected states, including in high-population states such as Texas, Ohio, and Georgia. The policy, which is issued through GEICO's commercial department, has received praise from insurance experts. The non-GEICO has the largest insurance provider for ride-sharing company drivers. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.